Ang sarap pala nitong Zeus Coffee. Actually, matagal na namin to gusto i-try. I-recommend kasi to ng cousin namin and bonus pa na may buy one get one free voucher sila for your first time order sa app. Ang isa pa nagustuhan ko dito, meron dalawang option for beans. The Lydia for fruity and nutty and the Boss for dark chocolate and smoky. Impressed din ako sa app nila, super dali gamitin and umorder. Dahil nasa Green Hills na kami, we just ordered sa app and chose pick up. After a few minutes, nag-alert na ready na yung drink namin kaya pinick up na namin sa Green Hills branch. Ito yung mga in-order namin. Choco chip frap for my daughter, matcha ice latte for my son. I ordered the local's favorite gula melaka and ice mocha for my hubby. I chose the Boss, the chocolatey with smoky taste. This gula malaka has muscovado and coconut flavor. Ang sarap niya, kakaiba siya sa lahat ng coffee na natikman ko. And the coconut is just a hint, nagbigay lang siya ng nutty flavor dun sa drink. My family all love their order, but ako, ang babalik-balikan ko dito is this gula melaka. Sarap to and mas affordable siya compared sa iba. Sana magkaroon ng Mandaluyong branch, please!